In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an application name in Zoho Creator. Whether you've developed an app for business or personal use, there might come a time when the name you initially chose just doesn't fit anymore. Let's walk through the process to modify the application name so it aligns better with your current needs or goals. To start, ensure you're logged into your Zoho Creator account. Once inside, you'll see various sections like Applications, Microservices, Environments, and more, right on your dashboard. We're specifically interested in the Applications section, as this is where your current applications are listed. Navigate to the Applications tab. This is where you can view all the applications you've created or have access to. Look for the specific application whose name you want to change. Here's a little tip. If you have many applications and are having trouble locating the one you're looking for, use the search feature at the top to quickly find it. Once you've identified the application, click on it to open the application settings. You'll typically find yourself on the application's overview page. From here, look for a settings icon or menu option. This often looks like a small gear or a three-dot menu. Click on it to access the application's settings. Inside the settings, locate the Edit or Rename option. The precise naming or location might differ slightly depending on updates or the version you're using, but generally, you should find this option easily within the first few prompts. When you click on this, a text box will appear allowing you to type in the new name for your application. Now, enter the new name into the text box. As you're typing, consider a name that accurately reflects the function or the purpose of your application. Once you're satisfied with the new name, check if there's a Save or Update button near the text box. Clicking this button will usually finalize the name change. Remember, communication is key when working in a collaborative environment. If your application is shared with other users or team members, it's a good idea to inform them of the name change to avoid any confusion or miscommunication. After you've saved the new name, go back to the Applications section to ensure the change has taken effect. You should see the updated name reflected in your list of applications. If you don't see it updated right away, try refreshing the page. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your application name in Zoho Creator. Now you're ready to continue developing, sharing, and using your app under its new name. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have more questions or need further assistance with Zoho Creator, feel free to reach out or check out our other tutorials.